Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create installation media for Windows 10 and 11. So in order to go, first open an internet browser in the search bar, write creation installation media for Windows 10 and click this. So on the top option, open in a new link and you will be taken to this window, Microsoft site. Here you need to click on Windows 10 or Windows 11, whichever you want to create, and you will be taken to this site. In here, two downloads are available, one to update and the other creation Windows installation media. So you need to click on download. Now, I have already downloaded this part of the software and you just download this, locate this on your hard disk and then open that position. So here is media creation tool 22H2 that I have already downloaded. What I do, I just double click this app. Since it is executable app, it will execute uh, the process. And here this window pops up, getting a few things ready. And then this window pops up, and here applicable notices in license term. I just need to accept this. I click on the accept option. And then again, we come to this window, getting a few things ready. Okay, then this window pops up. Upgrade this PC now or create installation media USB or DVD ISO for another PC. I choose the second option and then click next. Okay, these options available, but we need to use the recommended options for this PC. Okay, if you are creating the media for your PC, then you need to check this one option. However, if you want to do that for a general one, you then need to uncheck this and then adjust these options as per your own requirement: English, United States, Windows 10, architecture, etc. But I want to create the media for my own computer, therefore I check this option in and I click next. And now there are again two options available, and we want to create a USB drive, and the USB drive must be at least 8 GB. So you must insert at least 8 GB USB drive to your USB port and then click next. Okay, this is the USB I have inserted in my USB port, and I just click next to install the installation media on this USB. You see here the installation has begun. It show the progress, and it will definitely take very long. I will come back once this stage is completed. So now back, the installation has almost completed as the progress show 99%. And let's wait what comes next. Okay, that's great. Your USB flash drive is ready, which means all the required files for installing Windows has been copied to the USB and we can use it now as a bootable USB. At the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Max, kindly support the channel by pressing the subscribe button and also the like button on the video. Thanks for watching.